Okay guys, so I'm just going to ride this bike. Now is 7:27. Okay, so this is a bike which I'm going to ride. Okay, see you. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go guys. Let's go. So this is my office parking. So just coming out of the office. It's empty, nobody is here now. Okay, let's go to cross this road. Okay, let's go. Hope there won't be much traffic this time. You need to focus. इसको आराम से this road is very narrow. Need to go slow, I think. I see. Oh. They closed this road, huh? That side road. This is the new road. I think they opened today. Yesterday it was not like this. So let's go slowly only. Okay. Just take right turn. Okay, we'll go straight. To adjust my side mirror, this one can't see anything. Now this is fine. Now let's speed up. be careful. Sometimes these cars will come and simply they will come in front without an indicator, so it will be very difficult sometimes to control the bike. See this side. Okay, careful. Okay. Let's go. Problem is, I need to take right. Just be careful, Roy. Take right turn. Okay. Let's go. Let's go straight, huh? Let me take this left. Yeah. Let's go straight. Let's go slowly. This one you need to be careful. Slow down, and then okay. Keep the left lane. Let me check left. No one. Let's go straight now. This time there is no much traffic, huh? So Okay, we'll take right, and then I have reached to my destination, my condo. Just a second, buddy. I just need to take right. What is this? Okay. Okay. Then I have reached. I was waiting at. Okay, let's wait. The signal is red now. No point of going. Okay, now let's wait for the signal. Okay. So this is my condo. Let's go to the parking lot. So guys, man, ready? Let's go. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. So if you have liked watching this video, then just like the video, yeah, and subscribe to my channel. This is the first time I tried to record a video using my new neckband. Let me go find a place first. See if there is any place. I don't think so. All are full. Okay. Hopefully this floor I will get some place. Let's see. Oh, can, but I think it will be difficult to put in between. So let's go one more floor and see. Let's put it here. Okay guys, that's all for this video.